Assam Meghalaya State ang bong give and take policy pua puthak West Karbi long district ta ahoy long parluponji puke chikroy dun thekthi KSA khat khotie long ganja kinep long khat khotie long heli kinep long Kardom pin Karbi pramtam birta long penili thare sardong klahanse non birtang ton pen archik tha Assam Meghalaya State pupu CM ang bong give and take policy pua putha kaching vai bom ajahak step abang miset bonta West Karbi long district anathu ahoy long penang an adang along le parluponji puke chikroy dun thekthi lapen sodak pen chisong ji pusi KSA tiripi pachithang chunbang moniram teron mepu bisnuram phangchu dihin rimbang Alex be lapen monsing be tu there kretroxiar ni pherangke angnu ningjepon
We, the Karbi Student Association's Central Committee, we are coming in front of the press conference to voice our concern regarding the give and take policy, which are going to sign on probably on 27th of March 2022. We, Karbi Student Associations, have grave reservations regarding the give and take policy because we believe that our land in Karbi, in West Karbi Anglong district would be at stake because of this give and take policy. First of all, we, the Karbi Student Associations, welcome the initiative taken by both the government of Assam and also by both the government of Meghalaya to resolve the decades-old border disputes. Since 2021, August 2021, the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam have set for more than multiples of times to resolve the border disputes, and they have identified 12 dispute sites in the border areas between Assam and Meghalaya. And out of the 12 dispute sites, the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya have agreed to resolve on the 6 sites or 6 border dispute sites. And for the 6 dispute site, the government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam would be signing probably on 27 March 2025 in the presence of Union Home Ministers. We Karbi Student Associations welcome those initiatives, but when it comes to the land of Karbi Anglong, we have severe reservations because we the Karbi Anglong have nothing to take from Meghalaya and nothing to give to the government of Meghalaya, because our boundary have demarcated properly in 13 April 1951. We have the Gazette notification that was issued on 13 April 1951. We have a well demarcated border. So if the government of Assam and if the government of Meghalaya would interfere on this border issues, then we, the Karbi Student Associations, will not keep silent on this matter. And if anything happens in our democratic movement to oppose this give and take policy, then the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya would be held responsible and would be blamed to those governments. And also, we, the Karbi Student Associations, would like to appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Councils to make their stand firm on this give and take policy and issue an official statement as early as possible that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council would never accept the give and take policy, because till now we have not seen any official statement coming out from the CEM Sri Tuliram Rongha of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council issuing an official statements opposing the give and take policy. Until now, the CEM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have kept silent on this matter, on the matter of give and take policy. And for this matter, we appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Sri Tuliram Ronghang to give official statement as early as possible to oppose the give and take policy. If the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council's delays in this matter, then we, the Karbi Student Associations, will be compelled to struggle democratically to protect our land, to protect our home from this give and take policy. We, the Karbi student associations, have been demanding since the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya have initiated the give and take policy. We, the Karbi student associations, have been opposing it, that we will never accept the give and take policy. But till now, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council have been adamant by not making any official statements or official remarks on this matter. So we appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to make an official statement and also oppose the give and take policy. So through this media, we would like to appeal to the government of Assam, to the government of Meghalaya, and also to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council that the Karbi Student Association will never ever accept the give and take policy, and we will never allow an inch of land to be taken away from Karbi Anglong. We will never accept the give and take policy. The government of Meghalaya and the government of Assam could agree on other parts of the land, but we would like to appeal that never meddle with the Karbi Anglong lands. And if the government of Assam and if the government of Meghalaya interfere in our land, then we are ready to set our blood to protect our land and to protect our homeland. And we will never allow snatching our land by both the government of Assam and by both the government of Meghalaya. We, the Karbi student associations, will never accept the give and take policy, and we will fight until and unless those policies are revoked and those policies are cancelled and those policies are abrogated from Karbi Anglong. Because we have a well demarcated border with the Gazette notification of 13 April 1951. So we want that land to be as it is, and we don't want other parties to interfere on our land. So this is our appeal to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and also to the government of Assam and also to the government of Meghalaya that Karbi Student Association will never accept the give and take policy.
Pini anarlo porphai krehinira chiti ma pormalom khakra janalong police atum kiri kakuru gasai kedeng bomahut lin phokebra hini aganja keneb long dun long abirta kat nisalong birta nang pale. There poni phai kret trok arni kangsam por phai plira achiti mapor khat khati SBI bank atheng no along pistol aheli hini magazine hini lapen waki taki hini ihuma bas along pen kinep long berta kat ni salong berta nang pale. BJP Minority Morcha East Karbi Anglong District at Tumpen Patir Piponsi Dipu Karbi People Host Taralang Solong There Kretroxi Arni Cleanliness Drive Mati Kapang Tirasai Keteng Ponabirta Kat New Salong Birta Nang Pale. Ada Porphai Troxia Pormanom State Executive Member BJP Assam Pradesh Peter Tisopen Pangchengsi Bangso Kapang Tirasai Taralang Solong Klempondo. Bangso Kapang Therasailong Agriculture Development Board Chairman Agustin Kramsa PWD Board Chairman Longki Be Lapen BJP Minority Morcha Klembang Photum Chetonglunsi Kapang Therasai Klempon Ringti Kapang Therasai ki Mesena Posi Kapang Therasai ki Klempon Verji Pusi Chairman Agustin Kramsa Pen Ningjepon
Minority Morcha hin penitum Safai Abhiyan mate Kapang Therasai Kedeng pon ni tum dak minority morcha an chingrum no non la festival det pen dadak keter care rat tum na thegrong la sila hai kapaklar ji phansi tum la festival ke jut pen chingwai pen tum chi sik pen pini ada ba porni tum dak minority morcha an chingrum sini tum dak paklar lo la so paklar ke nang tuman la chini lo tum BJP party ke nili tum ke kai da klar et klar chen ben sigi dunai pu ke nang rata tuman la chini lo la sin tum ta la so a hin deng poneng lo la pen rata tum ha pa chini ke la helo ili tum e hem thur punon mate towar punon mate langbi punon ili tum yong si paklar et blote ili tum nili tum kachiniat teng blote je ki supi ne bangta ni tum jokon po pusini tum chini lo la penang le tuman la chini po pusini li chini hul po pusini li midyang no penang le tum phan paklar eklo la pen pachini eklo la pen la son la khaksi nili tum la minority morcha det la pugali akaprek asong mate nili tum la morcha ta 8 morcha do asitina morcha ta nili tum son cheklem rep chini tum do la sia sona thak sini tum ta la minority morcha ke la kapakla rang deng abang ke pini pen itu ke deng kon ke chenglo la penon kai ke wang yan tani tum la son si bang thir pon bom si tum klem pon ni ji
Lapu MEC kilikta nang le bom potsi lumbajong constituency alongta penang anadima longki kaching thur amu thekdam long le jok pen mathasi lumbajong constituency pen abang ke peter tisu ahin penta tiket ke hang dunjia phan chisiklo
kalang lo athe tiket ke hang ke abang putin ta right do la so posini li sitame dak lumbajong perman la pen lumbajong arara phan da kaching thur akam pen cheng lok penangan development akam sitame dak du ke claim nang ji asike dam tang aningkan sitame itum dak lumbajong arat bang development la pan long ui pusi ongdung ni tum la minority morcha hin pen la pen ni jungjung hin sitame penangan rong long dam si chinggi thang se sona report silong la sini lisi tame labang so development apan la pen dak litum lumbajong arat kaching thur je pansi ni lisi tame matha ke matha dun nang lang lo si tiket nang kipi la ke bang khai ke mana kam la si ke hangdun ke rai dopot ni li tame hangdun ipo
la pen chinthong constituency pen abang ke agostin kramsa penta tiket ke hang dunjia phan jisik ding lo pusi pherang ke tum karjo hut nang pachini do
nili ke jas party ke non ke nili ke party ar lo si do ko la si nili tum sta anutin ta kachisi ka song do la pen tiket ke hang dun ka anutin da right do la so teng man sinilita tiket ka chu hang dunya phan ke bor i lo la nangi pi nangi vipe mate tiket ke long le ke la ke ni tum BJP high command do hala tum si bang engwai ko nilita kachisi ke lang lo wanang deng tong nili lepone la bang nili chini ke ta nona ko ke chisik ke do igwek lo nilita
nang lente ko su konsep se karjabi pansin nang ni matha dala
nili ka chisik ke nili ke chingthong constituency pen sinili non tiket chu hang dunik bom
namlam support phan bertamo iconic sina
আপুনি বাৰু বিশুদ্ধ খোৱা পানীৰ অভাৱ অনুভৱ কৰিছে নেকি এতিয়া আৰু চিন্তা নাই কাৰণ বজাৰলৈ আহিল কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ বিজ্ঞানসন্মত উন্নত মানৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াৰে প্ৰস্তুত কৰা কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰে আপোনাক দূষিত পানীৰ ভয়াৱহতাৰ পৰা আঁতৰত ৰাখিব
কাঞ্চ ৱাটাৰ
Dinamo pit puthot birtalong bang thiklo Assam Dihina Minister Ajanta Niyok Pen Assam State Legislative Assembly budget along Karbi long phan clear seng mate Mesen Airport Kasilam Jiaphan Dihin deng pontanglo Assam Minister Sarput Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Lapen Karbi long Autonomous Council ACM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Angbong Kachingki Kachithan Kitheka jok Karbi long along ta Mesen Airport Kasilam Jiaphan Dihin mate tangka Assam budget along palut pon edlo Lasi laso ning kanang bong Karbi long along ta airport silampon po Asam along rialong pinso lapen arloso tumaphan higher secondary mate HS asadlang first division kiun atumaphan Assam Sorkar pen iskuti pipon pupusi Assam Sorkar atum ciparai portanglo Assam along ri tok langahin RD ki pipen kacharli ao sumara tumaphan non la surihini rain koirahini aningkan pen ason awarsai ki piponji aphan Assam Sorkar atum budget along ting portanglo Lasunsi Prakyan Bharati Scheme pen Class 1 pen Graduation an Kitab ake joy pipon po Undergraduate, Postgraduate, Medical lapen Polytechnic kacharli ao sumaratum phanta Hostel anam Surihini an Sorkar pen Kera bidut po Lasunsi Keboydet mati BPL student atuma phan ke admission tami Sorkar pen Kera dunjia phan Assam Sorkar atum je parai pondo Assam along rialong kacharli atomon kimi kapa jabji aphan Sorkar atum kengkam cijor pontangro Pini Karbi prime time ke lepon si kang toniglo domi thak me kurwang thung